Welcome to this ZENworks video demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how to activate ZENworks Endpoint Security and license ZENworks Configuration Management, and then show how to use these products to protect your managed devices. Activating Endpoint Security enables creation and deployment of security policies for Windows devices and the use of a security override password. The policies govern controls for applications, communication hardware, Microsoft data encryption, firewall settings, location assignments, storage devices, USB connectivity, VPN enforcement, and Wi-Fi usage. Activating configuration management enables creation and deployment of the policies that govern mobile security, mobile device control, and mobile compliance. In the ZENworks Control Center, when you navigate to Security, Getting Started, you see 3 pages: Mitigating Vulnerabilities, Encrypting Devices, and Securing Devices. For this demonstration, we're activating the products for securing devices. If you look at the activation icon for Endpoint Security, it is appended with a minus symbol in red, indicating the product is not activated. Configuration Management, on the other hand, has a check mark in green. This is because Configuration Management is activated by default using the 60-day evaluation. Clicking an Activate Product link takes us directly to the activation page for that product. From here, you can choose to start using Endpoint Security with the evaluation license, or enter and add a purchased license provided to you by Micro Focus. For now, we'll use the evaluation license. Now, if we return to the Getting Started page for securing devices, we can see that the activation icon for Endpoint Security is updated in green with a check mark. Since Configuration Management is already using the evaluation license, we don't need to activate it at this time. However, clicking this link demonstrates that you can use this navigation option at any time to return to the activation page for that product and update the license with the license key. Once these products are activated, you can create and deploy policies to these devices to govern endpoint security and mobile security capabilities. To see how to create and assign endpoint security and mobile device security policies, view the videos for Secure Windows Devices and Secure Mobile Devices, respectively. For more information about using ZENworks security products, see the ZENworks documentation page. Thanks for watching.